Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll drive north on I-65 in Alabama, beginning at mile 208 in the city of Clanton, the county seat of Chilton County. Here we're very close to the geographic center of the state. Exits 208 and 212 lead to Lake Mitchell Dam and Lay Lake Dam, respectively. These were the first two dams that Alabama Power had in the state, bringing improvements to the area in the early 1900s. We pulled over at this rest area for a quick break and a windshield cleaning. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. We enter Shelby County, which had an estimated population of 217,702 as of 2019, an increase of 11.6% over the 2010 census. The county is named in honor of Isaac Shelby, governor of Kentucky from 1792 to 1796 and then again from 1812 to 1816. Attractions in Shelby County include the Aldrich Coal Mine Museum, the Heart of Dixie Railroad Museum, Oak Mountain State Park, and the Old Shelby County Courthouse and Museum. At the Buxahatchee Creek, we enter the city of Calera with a population of 14,380 at the 2018 estimate. The population here has grown considerably since the 2000 census, when the population was only 3,158. The city of Calera was incorporated in 1887 and named after the Spanish word for quarry for all of the limestone deposits located in the area. The Shelby County Airport is located here. We conclude today's video here at exit 231. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.